Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is on some brand new hair. As you can see, one of my favorite styles of all time, Yankee twist. I love this hairstyle for the summertime. It is lightweight. It is easy to install. You don't have to be a perfect braider or be able to make perfect cornrows in order for this style to come out absolutely beautifully. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this install. Before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up. We are almost to 100,000 subscribers. I cannot believe that. For someone who has been on YouTube for almost 10 years, it would be a huge milestone to reach 100K before the end of the year. So if you are not subscribed, please consider hitting that button. It's free and it super helps me out.
Alright, so today we are going to be jumping into this YWigs Yankee twist. I did get 5 packs. I did use all of the hair, and my braid pattern is pretty straightforward. It's 4 braids on either side, 3 small ones at the top and 1 large one at the side, and then 2 braids going across the nape of my neck. So this is what the Yankee twist look like. This is my first time trying human hair Yankee twist, and it is my first time trying them with the you know, thread in between. But I really do like these twists. They're very easy to install, super lightweight and very silky. After installing them, they just looked so beautiful and natural, and I actually like them a lot better than the synthetic ones. They really feel different, and the install process is so much simpler, and I love the fact that you can just reuse them. So highly recommend giving these a try if you're curious how Yankee twist with human hair would work out. I definitely loved this install and will totally be installing them again. And so for the install, I just install them the normal way. Just place the hook under my braid, grab the hair, loop it around, and then loop it inside. I ended up adding 2 twists at a time in order to make the install go a little faster, and then at the top I just made sure I just did 1 at a time at the very top on those smaller braids. And yeah, that's pretty much how the install went. If you have questions, leave it in the comments down below, and stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll show you a bunch of different ways to style the hair and give all of my final thoughts on this install, how I wore it, and how the hair turned out.
You guys, and now that you guys saw the install, this is the end result. Let's go ahead and do our baby hairs, do our edges, because we did install this on some hair, some braids that were not super new. So we definitely need to style our edges and get this install looking decent. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some edge control, place this all on my edges. Now, first and foremost, I am going to use my baby hair brush to brush everything back. You can kind of see what I got going on here. So that's kind of how sleeked I want it to look, right? Okay, and then what we're gonna do is add a little hairspray. This is called Major Moment, and this is from Beach Waver. There we go. Smells so good. Now you see the difference from this side to this side. So we're gonna repeat all those steps on this side, and then we'll tie the hair down a little bit. Add a little bit of hairspray. Let's tie it so that it's tight. Okay. And we'll just let that sit, oops, and we'll just let that sit for just a few minutes. Okay, so it's been about, I don't know, 10 minutes. Let me go ahead and take this rubber band out and take this off, okay? So, oops, take that off. And this is what the hairline is giving. So I'm doing literally the least amount possible for this. And I love the results, you guys. Look at the hair. So cute. It looks really, really good. Now, of course, I'm gonna trim mine. You don't have to trim yours. Myself a few layers. Actually, maybe I'll just do a blunt cut. Let's see how a blunt cut looks before I do any layers. Especially if you plan to install it a bunch of times. You want to make sure you kind of finger comb it to make sure no pieces are hiding in there. But these few pieces in the front just seem way too long. So I'm just going to give those a little bit of a trim. Do the other side. Whoops. Don't cut too much. This is pretty much the end result. I think the hair is absolutely beautiful. Highly recommend. And this is human hair, so it will last you a very, very long time. So if you want to check out this hair, check the details down below in the description box, and you can click the link to go ahead and check it out for yourself. Once again, thank you so much, YWigs, for sending over this hair, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.